It's a 2006 Raymond sit-down electric forklift. The model is a 4700C50HM. It has a 5,000 pound base lifting capacity. Runs on a 36 volt battery. Battery's holding good charge. Has cushioned tires, good for use on solid surfaces, either indoors or outdoors. Has traction drive tires. Automatic transmission. Has a 3-stage mast. It's 83 inches when collapsed. And the forks will lift to a maximum height of 187 inches. That's 15.5 feet. Good for high lifting. It has 42-inch long standard forks. A load backrest attachment. It has tilt function forward and back. It also has side shift function to move the fork carriage side to side. This lift was a dealer rental fleet unit, is regularly maintained. It's in very good condition. It's ready to work.